side there.
Especially with that weed wag on.
That side there.
Dancing harder than the headlights would have been. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Like, since you crunk it up, it's dancing harder. Give me my individual colors. Give me my individuals. There you go.
You know how to time it.
Man. Give me my individuals. And back here, give me my individuals. I want them individuals back here, daddy. Yeah, they dancing hard.
Man, this thing's so sharp. I can see how folks get caught up in putting lights on cars.
Because there's so many ways you can do it. You come up with your own creative style that it'd be hard to duplicate. You know, because it's like spur of the moment. It's like art. You know, it's like your car is my canvas. The lights is my paint. And there's no two paints gonna be just alike. I never did no two cars alike. You know, I'm waiting to see the individual colors on there. And once I do that, my portfolio is complete. I can't wait to see Mr. Lawson face when he see this. What's it called? Chief, Lieutenant. Larry. Yeah. He might call you out more often now. Yeah, that baby beautiful. I don't know how, tell you the truth, I don't even know how I got started. Like I said, I know what happened when I had my own car, we had to have lights. Doing transport and picking up because we didn't want to look like just anybody going to these 4 houses serving the warrant. So, at the time, you know, I'm always a budgeted man. I said, hell, I can do this, man. I paid all that money one time and I saw how they did. I said, I can do this myself. That's what I wanted to see right there. The individual. So you don't know if it's red or blue. You don't know what side of red. You know, usually you can tell, okay, red on the left, blue on the right. It change up on you. I like that. I like that.